know what, guys? Quickly, on the road, on the road. Over here, actually behind this cover, Aim! Elevate! Fire!
Aha, you scared them away. Good job.
You just see them.
Get over here. Vinny, I told you have to go in line with them. You can't fire behind us. Freeze it!
We can do it better. We'll maintain a bucket.
All back.
Fire! Right and low, lads.
Get up there, hold fire. Loaded. Okay, get up there. All right, commence parachute firing.
They started firing.
Okay, move up. Hold your fire though. Until Brian's loaded. Brian's loaded. Okay, commence firing.
And after this.
Back.
Ready?
Oh, no.
Freeze it! Fire!
Down.
Shoulder up!
Kyle, you loaded?
Yeah, I'm loaded.
Okay, fire.
Right about. Face!
Okay, that's your last shot.
Yeah, this will be my last shot.
Am I reloading? No.
Loaded.
Okay, good. And last shot.
Last shot.
Good job, gentlemen.
Good job. We've defended the encampment.
Yes, we did. We'll take the rest afterward.
Of course.
All right, good.
I have a family to tend to, man.
Forward. March. We're going to be encountering them. That's a diversion. To the left. Wheel. Run. Hold them off. Hold them off. Open order. Come to the open order. Aim. Forward. March. Take ground. Halt. Ready. Aim. Fire. Load in quick time. Load.
Fire! Grab and load.
Kneel.
Away with this one. Take this, you lost the back.
Ready?
Right about, shoulder arms. Right about, face. Forward, march. There. Halt. Right about, face.
Make ready.
Right
Reset. Fire. Fire and load.
Yeah, load up. Yeah, roll in quick time load. Yeah, we're kind of. You know what? I think we're going to right wheels. We're going to get them off that wheel.
Otherwise, we're forming square.
Yeah, we're exactly. Yep. Right, everyone loaded? To the front, march. To the right, wheel.
Reset.
Front.
Fire and load.
Halt. Ready. Aim. Elevate. Fire. Shoulder, arms. Fix bayonets.
Make ready. Reset.
Front. Front. Bayonet. Take care. Halt. Shoulder. Arms. Unfix bayonets. And then, right? Yeah, load, quick time load. And then, ridiculously outplayed. But,
Section halt.
right, and, all right.
Make ready.
To right about. them into the field. Anyone wishes to valley will die in the name of Van Buren or Hempstead.
I don't think we have enough men to spare.
Yeah,
I know.
we are so limited.
Everybody lives.
To the front, march!
Jim, unless you're going to take a hit.
Yeah, right. Take care. Halt!
Fall back.
Ready!
Face.
Aim! Fire!
Beautiful volley.
Nice, done.
Beautiful volley.
Take care of the quick load. Quick load.
Is the Heinies at that point?
Forward, march! To the left. Wheel. Front. Prepare. Halt. Ready.
Get up here. Get up here on line.
Fire. Shoulder, arms. To the front.
Get out of Mr. Noon's yard!
Shoot. Arms port. To the front, march. We've retaken the town. 3 cheers. Hip hip. Hip hip. Hip hip.
Drummer with me.
Let's get that off the flagpole. Let's go. Front march. We'll defend it. There we are. Yeah, we'll stand and we'll yeah.
I'll shoot him in the
let's just
back.
Stay here.
Obviously, they're not sailors.
Get out!
You got this.
Thank you, gentlemen, for restoring our freedom and sovereignty.
Our pleasure, madame. Our
Our
pleasure.
town is indebted to you.
Keep running.
Give our regards to Victoria!
Let's fall in and maybe do a volley when they
Joy or something. Yeah. All right. Without formality, form up and load in quick time. Load. Yeah, we'll do it. You ready for one more? We're going to do a few to joy.
It's going to look great in Hempstead.
Yeah.
We use the clean muskets.
All right. Ready. Aim. Elevate.
Don't shoot Mr. Noon's house.
Fire. Shoulder, arms.
I got my
Secure, arms. ease, spring. Right. Lodge, arms. Dismissed. Good job.
Huzzah!
Huzzah!
We destroyed the flag.
Yeah.
They had zero casualties. And that's the way. Oh, they're back.
Yeah, fix bayonets. Fix bayonets.
Right camp. Hold. Lift. Face. Order. Up. Fix. Get it. Shoulder. Up. Freeze it.
Freeze in.
Up.
Arms.
3 cheers for the Hempstead Light Guard. Hip hip. Huzzah! Hip hip. Huzzah! Hip hip. Huzzah!
3 cheers for the 35th Royal Sussex. Hip hip.
Huzzah!
Hip hip.
Huzzah!
Hip hip.
Huzzah! Shoulder.
Shoulder. Arms.
Order. Up.
Unfix bayonets.
Fix. Get it. Company will take care to dismiss.
We've done enough of that. Without ceremony, dismiss. God save the Queen!
Line up, handshake, line up.
I should take the opportunity to announce the next activation.
It's a good idea.
Got it, Kyle?
Well, if you want to. Yeah.